Elevate your design and construction process by incorporating 3D scanning and 3D modeling into the pre-design phase of your projects. Today's building information management software allows for every vital detail of your projects to be stored into a BIM file that allows for architects, engineers, construction professionals, and other stakeholders to access key projects information and maximize collaboration and coordination throughout the projects. Precision's 3D models in Autodesk Revit are created from scratch using LiDAR data acquired from state-of-the-art architectural 3D scanners. LiDAR scanners work by scanning the environment with lasers and measuring the time for reflected light to return to the receiver. Most projects require just 30 to 120 scans to create a full 3D model of the interior and exterior of the building. Each scan contains approximately 23 million data points with plus or minus 1 millimeter accuracy, leading to a digital twin of the existing building, which is a dimensionally exact match documenting all existing conditions. The scan data, also referred to as point cloud data, provides a historical representation or as-built model which can be replicated in Revit, a software program that architects and engineers use for designing and planning construction projects. All of our projects are delivered in either Revit or AutoCAD depending on client preference. Once the design and construction of the renovation or addition is completed, the general contractor can update the as-built BIM model to reflect the final as-built conditions and document any field design changes, project change orders, and important post-construction information. This digital twin BIM file will continue to be used by facility managers and building owners for the maintenance and management of the building for years to come. Documentation of existing HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems inside walls and ceilings provide tremendous benefits to future repair, upgrade, and renovation projects. Precision As Built is a nationwide service provider that specializes in as-built surveying and drafting. Precision has surveyed over 100 million square feet of buildings of all types and sizes since 1999. Contact us today with any questions about our services or to request a quote for your upcoming project.